Greetings, tech enthusiasts! Join us on Mega Technology as we dive into the exciting universe of heavy equipment, modern inventions, and the ever-evolving landscape of technologies. The Vermeer horizontal grinder you're seeing on your screens right now is built for land clearing and pipeline work and features a powerful track-mounted engine and compact design. With 950 horsepower or 708 kilowatts in the 92,000-pound class and a feed design designed specifically to feed larger materials such as whole trees and large stumps, the new chipper is built to handle hard materials with less operator intervention. Here is the E-Dumper from E-Mining AG, the world's largest electric dump truck. With its enormous load capacity and fully electric engine, this giant doesn't just transport loads, it redefines heavy machinery. Imagine, it can carry up to 65 tons of cargo and work continuously thanks to a regenerative braking system that charges the battery during descent. Eco-friendly and powerful, the E-Dumper shows that sustainable technology and heavy industry are a perfect match. Who says excavators have to be boring? At home exhibition Menzi Muck 2024 will present not just a machine, but a true multi-terrain performer. Able to adapt to any terrain thanks to its unique articulated design, the Menzi Muck turns ordinary digging into a real show. Expect to see him dancing on slopes and juggling buckets like a pro. With his help, laying pipes or digging a foundation on uneven terrain is as easy as lifting a cup of coffee. Chemrock continues to innovate in the field of excavator milling attachments, which have already proven themselves in various applications, from demolition to tunnel construction. With the new cut and break tool, Chemrock offers a revolutionary solution for quarries where traditional drilling and blasting is no longer feasible. This method, which uses a cutting wheel to create the grooves and a special tool to separate the rock from the face, allows rock to be mined with minimal noise and vibration, making it ideal for working in environmentally sensitive areas. Big Float is an innovative and unique pontoon-tracked undercarriage that turns your excavator into an amphibious machine. Some call it a swamp walker or a floating excavator. It's all the same thing. Thanks to the Rimu Pontoon undercarriage, your excavator can work in the toughest conditions. In soft ground or shallow water, floating excavators on pontoon chassis are often the most efficient machines. Large floats can also be driven on hard ground, and with additional equipment, they can operate safely in open water. Friends, meet Volvo's new state-of-the-art log loader, the L200H high-lift model. Compared to its predecessor, this machine is distinguished by its improved key features, such as 12.2-ton capacity, a larger grapple equipped with a stronger rotator that reduces pendulum motion during operation. In addition, first-class LED lighting provides improved visibility, and a collision avoidance system enhances safety, a critical aspect of log yard wood handling for Hasslatcher and its operators. The unique feature of the model that is the object of our interest today is that during operation it can completely submerge in water. Only the exhaust pipe remains on the surface. This underwater bulldozer will be an excellent solution for companies that perform road construction and repair activities regularly, are engaged in the laying of channels, as well as mining of minerals from the subsoil covered by the water column. By the way, the bulldozer is controlled remotely. The De Bruin Chopper Roller is a simple, heavy-duty machine designed as a single roller or as a tandem with a width of 9.8 feet. In fact, this is the machine we are seeing on our screens right now. This machine has been involved in farmland preparation and land management for many years, as well as some of the largest landscaping jobs around the world. The mulcher actually adds to the profitability of companies that use such machines, and you can see for yourself how the De Bruin Chopper Roller works. Meet the newest Wolf DW630 dewatering machine. This impressive model features a powerful 630 horsepower CAT C18 engine, allowing it to lay pipes up to 8 inches in diameter to a depth of 19 feet. Tests have shown how the machine performs in real-world conditions, demonstrating its reliability and performance. Now friends, just check out the field footage of the DW630 to see it in action and appreciate the efficiency and accuracy of pipe laying and dewatering conditions. Canada's Specialized Search and Rescue SAR teams regularly risk their lives by relying on aircraft to overcome serious challenges in hazardous weather and dangerous terrain. The demands on Canadian SAR aircraft are well documented, from challenging mountain contour searches, storms in the Arctic and North Atlantic, to extreme temperatures, icing, and precipitation. The C-295, built by Airbus and selected for the National Aircraft Search and Rescue Program, is ideally suited for those missions. This video is an exclusive inside and outside tour of the latest generation of the versatile aircraft that Canada recently welcomed to its fleet. Ravor's WRC model 1250 AC horizontal bandsaw is designed for cutting wood. The saw is equipped with hydraulic components and is easy to use. It does not require numerous personnel. The machine is equipped with an electric motor for lowering, lifting the saw, and its pleated main columns are equipped with special plastic to improve sliding. There is computer programming of the cut thickness setting with display of actual log thickness and height values. This high-performance bandsaw really does cut wood quickly and accurately. As a professional construction hoist manufacturer, SYM Hoist and Tower Crane Equipment Company Limited is committed to providing the most complete, reliable, and valuable lifting solutions for every customer. That's why they created the XCA 600 all-terrain crane, which has a main boom length of 344 feet, and its performance is several times higher than products of the same tonnage class. This all-terrain crane is highly adaptable and can be used even in major wind turbine maintenance projects. The whole machine can carry the main boom, superlift, and heavy load transition, and can also pass through lower culverts, which is more suitable for urban construction. John Deere, the world's largest manufacturer of agricultural machinery, has presented a new prototype of an electric tractor. It appears that the company intends to revolutionize the world of agricultural machinery. The tractor, named Sesame, is equipped with 130 kilowatt-hour batteries and surpasses all modern agricultural machinery by its quietness. You have to agree, and it looks no less impressive. The Husky eMotion electric snowmobile features a modern cabin design, an entirely new look, and zero emissions. It is now in series production. The electric motor develops 245 horsepower and 1,000 nanometers of torque right from the start. Only an electric rat trap can deliver such performance. The maximum operating time is 3 hours. Cenoboggan telehandlers are the ideal machines for demanding applications. The A35G Hybrid and 355E models precisely set new standards for efficient scrap, wood, and port handling, thanks to the Green Hybrid Regeneration System, which is now also available in this machine class. You save up to 30% on fuel. These machines are, in fact, multifunctional tools that can handle both common telehandler tasks and complex material handling operations. Here, for example, in this video, we see these loaders pile sugar beets into a pile and then load them onto barges. Together, they are capable of handling 270,000 tons of sugar beets during the beet campaign, delivering fuel savings and reduced CO2 emissions, thanks to Green Hybrid's regenerative technology. The LR1500 crawler crane is a simple, powerful, and compact unit for any construction site. Thanks to the main lifting mechanism, it is possible to move the crane with a lifted load up to a maximum lifting capacity of 500 tons. At the same time, the dimensions of this cool machine are quite compact, like a 400-ton crane. All parts weigh up to 45 tons and are no more than 9.8 feet wide, which means There are no limitations to transporting this crawler monster around the world. Thanks to the matching counterweight cart, it can move right along with the load on the hook without any problems. Another big plus is the quickly installed center ballast made of several concrete elements. The upper part forms a secure platform for the counterweight cart. Only the highest quality tools and equipment are suitable for your Unimog, and Mulag has been producing superior high-performance and innovative technology for road and rail maintenance for many years. In addition to curb mowers and slope mowers, with or without a grass collection system, up to a 25.5-foot reach, Mulag has introduced an equipment combination that includes 3 units mounted on the same vehicle for simultaneous use. All powerful booms can be outfitted with a multitude of working attachments for year-round roadside repair and roadside maintenance operations. And how such equipment works, you can see for yourself. The NOAQ Boxwall BW52 is an independent and self-anchoring mobile flood protection barrier that can hold back water up to 50 centimeters high. And for completeness, the barrier blocks waves up to a meter high. Its lightweight means it can be quickly set up to protect buildings and other objects from water, as well as clearing roads. The barrier is designed for use on fairly flat surfaces such as paved roads, lawns, and tight sidewalks. Each individual box consists of blocking, anchoring, and sealing parts. The barrier is built by connecting each box with the previous one, forming a kind of chain. It is better to move from left to right when installing. The new VTN Crusher Bucket Crusher is an attachment designed to crush various materials directly on site. The unit is suitable for different working machines, excavators, backhoe loaders, telescopic and wheel loaders. The crusher has very compact and versatile dimensions and is therefore suitable for all types of construction sites, in quarries, on landfill sites, as well as on small, medium, and large urban and suburban construction sites. Quick and easy adjustment of the thickness of the incoming material allows you to adjust the size of the output material from 0.5 to 5.5 inches. The world's largest all-terrain AT-120 from Ditch Witch was built to tackle the toughest jobs on the planet. With 120,000 pounds of pulling power and 15,500 foot-pounds of torque, this model opens you up to limitless types of work. Its all-terrain technology and 280 horsepower Cummins Stage 5 engine reduces environmental impact without sacrificing power. It has 50% more internal torque than its predecessor, giving the AT-120 extra power to drill even the toughest soils. The box loader's X-Trem loaders multiple applications, making it an indispensable tool for your organization, whether you're moving, grounding, lifting, or double stacking. The technique boasts an unmatched 44-ton capacity at any position, and it offers the longest reach on the market with a 55.1 inches of clearance between a fully loaded container and the chassis rail. The forklift can lift the heaviest containers, even those that are poorly positioned or with unevenly distributed loads inside. Double extension stabilizers give it impressive stability, allowing it to work on soft or uneven ground. The NS Series Crawler Scissor Elevator is lightweight and equipped with rubber tracks for smooth, fast, and safe travel in difficult road conditions. The machine runs on standard AC mains power, has zero emissions, and is environmentally friendly. The steel crawler design is particularly strong in adapting to the environment. It can be used in the field even without a power supply. The hydraulic lifting platform utilizes a weighted chassis and does not require supporting legs when working. The equipment can walk even when the platform is raised, which greatly improves work efficiency. In the world of mini cranes, the Gecko XPX 650 is a true Olympic champion. With the ability to lift up to 14,300 pounds and a lifting height of up to 77 feet, this little helper is ready to take on challenges that seem insurmountable for other machines. Its specialty is working in spaces where every inch counts, making it the ideal choice for urban construction or indoor work. With the Gecko SPX 650, heavy tasks become more manageable than ever before. When it comes to rail solutions, Hydrema becomes the true star of the show. The company's specialists offer not just equipment, but a true multifunctional solution for railway work. Hydrema models are not only light and maneuverable, but also equipped with features such as hybrid technology and the ability to work in extremely confined conditions. You can be sure that with Hydrema, many rail projects will transform from tedious to exciting, turning every workday into an efficient adventure on wheels and rails. Discover Tree Crusher highlights, where old 16mm film comes to life, presenting Tree Crusher, the masterful work of engineer R.G. Letourneau. Filmed in the 1950s, this footage captures moments of testing one of the first of its kind tree crushing machines, a machine designed to overcome the toughest challenges in logging. It demonstrates the amazing power and foresight of technological innovation. The Overossen UTV 445 UTV 550 Performance Line snowplow has been designed for high performance and economy. The snowplows are ideal for working on the most difficult mountain passes, clearing snowdrifts and widening roads. Thanks to their two-stage snow removal system, these machines are capable of clearing any type of snow in all weather conditions. The machine has the main advantages of compact and powerful design, high clearing capacity, good spreading performance, economy, and operational flexibility. The snowplow is designed to be used in combination with front loaders, with a total capacity of 20 to 25 tons. What do you think about the Steer AS14? You probably didn't even know it was a powerful machine with up to 50 horsepower designed to handle tough conditions. With the optional Steer scraper bucket mounted on the 939 Fendt Vario, it picks up 494 cubic feet of material in just 15 seconds, while a 23-ton excavator with a 49.4 cubic foot bucket would take more than 3 minutes to operate. With a steer-trailed scraper and a hauling range of 984 to 4,921 feet, it is 3 times more efficient than traditional methods. The PA 19001 bridge inspection device embodies Palfinger's many years of experience in the manufacture of hydraulic loading cranes and lifting platforms. The wide working range above railroad level enables work on high cable supports and special bridge structures. The third jib system can be dismantled, allowing it to be used for various crane operations. The multifunctional device is ideal for municipal authorities and various institutions that are constantly faced with a wide range of tasks. The multi-purpose mine ambush armored recovery crane, MPARC, is based on the concept of independently suspended axles and a spatially robust frame. The new MPARC is an unrivaled crane of its kind with exceptional performance. All-wheel drive provides superior traction and mobility. The machine provides high protection against mines, IEDs, and kinetic energy munitions. 5-point safety belts, protection, fire, and explosion protection system, and specially designed seats create a safe environment for personnel. A conventional forklift will not be able to easily and safely move long and bulky loads around the yard. Often the operators who accompany these loads will have to be overhead to avoid obstacles. Staff safety would be much lower in such a case, and the risk of damage to goods, items would be greatly increased. The new Combo Lift concept, on the other hand, is based on a very efficient use of space. Thanks to the company's articulated multi-pass forklifts, as you can see on your screens, you can double the capacity of any warehouse. They excel at transporting the heaviest loads and handle various loading and unloading operations with oversized loads. The Outlaw Pump Trailer is a high-performance unit that delivers increased efficiency and productivity. The 52-foot Outlaw is ready to easily handle pumping and mixing even the deepest lagoons, pits, and slurry storage areas. Among its distinct pluses are increased productivity and efficiency, extended reach and maneuverability, and easy transport and installation. 10-inch piping increases flow and/or reduces energy consumption. Engine configurations of 577 to 684 or more horsepower are available, allowing you to choose the power you need for your job. pump 3,700 gallons per minute at agitation with 150 psi inlet pressure. In a rural region of the United Kingdom, or more precisely in the southwest of England, the telecommunications company Wessex Internet has begun work on laying internet cables to connect rural communities to the network. Of course, the best helper for her in this difficult business was the company manufacturer Vermeer, which created its RTX machine just for such purposes. How does it work and what did it do? See for yourself. With the piston bully model 100E, Cosbora has taken its first all-electric vehicle to the snow. It is preferably off-road because this is where the electric drive concept can best show its strengths. The hydrostatic drive and tiller drive have been replaced by 3 electric motors. This ensures direct power transmission and an increase in efficiency of around 100%. Compared to a central electric motor, this means a 20% increase in range per charging cycle. Owning a set of jacks gives you many advantages. One of the most important is that you can better plan your work since you no longer rely on outside contractors. High crane rental rates are no longer an issue. Use the jacks to lift containers up to 70,500 pounds wherever and whenever you want. This product is designed and tested for heavy loads. It easily lifts both empty containers and heavy containers filled to the top. Container jacks are ready to ship worldwide. This is a front loader with an APS 2500 engine with a rated power of 55 kilowatts and a rated speed of 2400 RPM. The machine has a hydraulic torque converter, water-cooled mode. On the plus side, it has a braking system with hydraulic sliding brakes on all 4 wheels. It comes with a pallet fork, log grapple, crocodile bucket, snowblower, sweeper, concrete mixer, and straw grapple. So, as you can see for yourself, this is really a very versatile piece of equipment that you're sure to find a use for in any line of work. Maston Brook's unrivaled range includes groundbreaking innovations that deliver efficient, reliable, and cost-effective performance in various subsurface drainage applications, soil types, and groundwater levels. Their new 4020 model, for example, was developed in response to global demand for a heavy-duty chain trencher that incorporates the latest technology for installation on drainage slopes with significantly greater efficiency and repeatability. Maximizing operator comfort and safety and staying ahead of stricter environmental standards are the main principles the manufacturer followed when creating the Model 4020 drainage plow. By the way, it runs plastic drainage pipes of varying diameters to a depth of 70 inches. And it has a Volvo Penta 4th-stage diesel engine, rated at 315 kilowatt, 428 horsepower. The HS57 is a heavy-duty mini-loader attachment that removes the collar and surrounding surface of concrete and asphalt manhole covers. The HS57 manhole saw was designed to get the job done by one operator and skid steer loader. The self-aligning hydraulic clamp attaches easily and securely to the collar. It provides a 57-inch diameter hole cut and lifts the collar and surrounding concrete asphalt layers once the cut is complete. The HS57 takes only 5 to 15 minutes to operate with one operator and a skid steer loader, drastically reducing labor hours and closing streets by as much as 75%. The cutting process is accomplished through the use of hydraulics, which creates downward pressure on the cutting drum rather than the weight of the mini loader. The SB4504 Airport Sweeper is the latest generation of VAMOS equipment that creates a whole new level of efficiency in snow removal. The combination of sweeper, plow, and blower gives maximum productivity even when operating at speeds above 37 miles per hour. The sweeper and blower features a quick-release plow and brush transport position for easy storage at any maintenance facility. The SB4504 Trailed Sweeper is a combination of futuristic design and innovative solutions. The BF120.4 crushing bucket is specially designed for crushing and all recycling operations of aggregates in quarries and dumps. This high-performance and versatile model has been able to win a special place in crushing on large-scale construction sites in the city and beyond in just a few years. This equipment is the ideal accessory for large crushing projects. It is suitable for excavators from 30 to 45 tons and guarantees high crushing performance on large urban and suburban construction sites. The Liber Mobile Bachmann MK140 is a crane that literally changes the horizons on the construction site. This mobile construction crane not only stands out for its power, but also for its amazing flexibility. With a maximum lifting capacity of up to 8 tons and a lifting height up to 94.4 meters, the MK140 is ideal for working in the confined spaces of urban environments. But the real trick is its compactness and speed of installation. Who'd have thought that such a giant could be incredibly mobile? How about turning time-consuming work into an easy task? The Boxer 385D mini skid steer from Morbark is the perfect helper for just a purpose. With a 40 horsepower engine, this mini skid steer is ready to tackle any task, from digging to loading. It's so maneuverable and compact, you'll be able to get into even the tightest of spaces. Want to know the secret of its success? The hydrostatic transmission and joystick control system make its handling a dance. Fast 2K is the fast and convenient way to complete your fence. One 2.5 pound, 33.8 ounce bag replaces 80 to 100 pounds of concrete. Fast 2K eliminates the mess of mixing and having to lug around heavy bags of traditional concrete. With Fast 2K, there is no mess. No water is required, and it hardens in just minutes. Fast 2K will make your project faster and easier. With this new design, there is no need for a base or saddle to secure the post. Fast 2K becomes waterproof after installation. It expands immediately after mixing and holds the post in 3 to 5 minutes. Many tests have shown that this new product has proven to be as effective as concrete for load-bearing structures. In front of you is a new machine from the company Luff, which, according to the manufacturer's idea, has its own purpose. The rescue vehicle you see now on your screens is capable of evacuating conspicuous or burning electric cars from narrow parking lots. A remote-controlled vehicle allows emergency vehicles to remove cars from underground parking garages from a safe distance. Depending on the lifting method, vehicles weighing up to 3.2 tons can be lifted. The machine's track chassis distributes the forces evenly over the ground. The SE200G can be optimally used on trucks with a minimum gross vehicle weight of 10 tons. Due to the ease of use of the equipment, it is suitable for vehicle recovery and transportation. The special design of the unit consists of a tilting and removable platform with the possibility of 190 degrees rotation, allowing the recovery of vehicles in situations with limited maneuvering space, as well as facilitating lifting over fences, ditches, and falls. A hydraulic winch, if required in the mobile version with hydraulic control, facilitates the loading of particularly damaged vehicles. FMG's Tractor Trailed Grader, perfect for gravel road maintenance. The 4 blades easily loosen and level the hardened surface, while the wheel block applies the surface and consolidates the results. The joystick makes controlling the grader really simple and easy, which positively affects the overall result of work. By the way, the weight of the largest such machine is 6,000 kilograms, which makes it a powerful tool. Nemo is a fully hydrostatic beach cleaner operating on board, extremely maneuverable and practical to use even in very confined spaces. It is controlled by 2 joysticks that allow you to adjust speed, direction, and working depth. The machine is equipped with a fixed blade that collects sand and debris at the required depth and width of 100 centimeters. They are fed to a vertically moving sieve, which allows the waste to be left in the collection container and the clean sand to be dumped out. The Berkman Model 2040 R4-ton dump truck with swivel body is extremely robust, economical, and has excellent off-road handling. The floating rear axle ensures constant contact with the ground, making it extremely maneuverable and stable. The driver is always fully aware of the condition of his Bergman tipper. If, for example, there is a risk of tipping on its side, the driver is warned in advance. This creates a much higher level of safety than in a conventional vehicle with floating suspension in the center section. The Hysoon HY380 mini loader is a versatile, reliable, yet affordable machine. The unloading height allows you to work with small and medium tonnage trucks, and all-wheel drive allows you to move in any conditions. It is equipped with various attachments, which allows you to solve almost any tasks related to construction, private farming, agricultural activities, etc. The mini loader is equipped with high-quality components, which makes it unpretentious and stable in operation. With HY380, you can not only accomplish your tasks, but also enjoy the pleasure of working with an efficient, powerful, and comfortable machine. Looking for a way to make your soil perfect for new plantings? Then Prenoth Deep Rippers and Rotovators are at your service. These powerful machines, like the RF800 and RFL700, turn difficult plots into paradise for new plants. Working with Fendt and John Deere tractors, they swiftly remove roots and wood waste while enriching the soil with organic materials. Why not give your plants the best start by loosening and improving the soil so effectively that even your neighbors will envy? Imagine how quickly and easily you can get the job done with the AMI Attachment Side Dump Bucket. This side dump bucket is a godsend for any construction worker. Its 53 cubic foot capacity and ability to hold up to 2 tons allows it to handle large volumes of materials. And what about its ability to rotate 90 degrees? That means you'll be able to unload exactly where you need it. Even in the hardest to reach places, high-quality steel and powerful hydraulics guarantee durability and reliability. Are you ready to soar to the heights of construction with innovative Manitex Vala cranes? These powerful mobile cranes, with lifting capacities from 2 to 40 tons, are available in electric, diesel, and hybrid drive, so you can always find the perfect option for any task. Whether you choose a wheeled model for easy maneuverability or a crawler version for stability on rough terrain, every Manitex Vala crane is ready to transform your workflow. With a fixed or swinging boom and many specialized settings, these cranes are designed to meet the unique and challenging requirements. The Hamar Sideloader A Advanced Chassis is a unique and incredibly versatile chassis from Hamar. Made from 3 telescopic chassis parts and sliding cranes, it can change the position of the cart and optimize the weight distribution of the load. This means it can be optimized for both 2- and 3-axle trucks, as well as for different size containers. SlatTrack's temporary roads require fewer crew members and less effort than comparable plastic ground protection mats or plywood sheets. SlatTrack's temporary roads can be used on grass, turf, sand, and hard landscaping. For any surface you can use ground protection mats or plywood, or the new alternative, SlatTracks. Among the major pluses is the real possibility of deploying or reclaiming 100 feet of roadway in minutes. Plus, with a machine like this, the number of crew members per job can be significantly reduced. Featuring a fully adjustable hydraulic rear wing and bed, this heavy-duty machine delivers the proven performance inherent in all Collier and Miller machines. The C&M channeler attachment is available to customers with a standard 9.8-foot bed configuration, or with the ability to be built to specific size requirements upon request. The Okur Combi paving machine allows for bituminous binder placement, seal coating, lining, and adhesion, rough and fogging. It eliminates application difficulties associated with geographic and weather conditions, paver and gravel spreader incompatibility. It provides safer and better application in a very short time with fewer personnel. Spray widths can reach up to 14.4 feet thanks to computer-controlled telescopic arms. The Mobile Splitter X2 is used by Maxwell GmbH for the preparation of excavated soil and loamy material. The sturdy chain cart is ideal for working on uneven ground. With its stable and sturdy screen deck, The Twin Wave Splitter X2 is simply ideal for working with heavy and sticky material. Flexible adjustment options ensure reliable material flow throughout the entire process. The use of modern motor technology ensures the throughputs of up to 200 tons per hour. The Kaiser S12 series excavator, specially designed for work in inaccessible terrain, has the ability to drive as well as walk. In fact, it has a rotating platform with a cab, power plant, and boom equipment, placed on a lower frame with the original wheel travel. The machine has an operating weight of just over 10 tons and is equipped with a Perkins diesel engine with 175 horsepower. By the way, in extreme conditions, the wheels can be removed to ensure the stability of the equipment. The newest version of Maja Automatic is a machine with an automatically folding canopy, which is designed to work in orchards with any arrangement of trees in a row. This technique guarantees almost 100% efficiency of harvesting and preservation of high quality of harvested fruit. Harvesting with this machine is performed by shaking fruits and berries thanks to a shaker on the canopy extended under the tree. Car transportation in a covered car carrier is an incredibly reliable method of transportation that stands out from other options. This kind of car shipping eliminates the risk of mechanical damage to the paintwork and windows, as well as the development of corrosion, which is not always possible to avoid in the process of transportation by sea or other alternative methods. So if you want to protect your vehicle, now you know exactly where to turn. Tiger Stone is a 236-inch wide paving machine that can be used to perfectly repair a street or road in one go. Tiger Stone also provides edge finishing immediately. In the end, the stones are immediately and tightly fixed between the curbs. The street or road can be finished in one go, and there will be no debris on the road. With the Tiger Stone machine, builders can pave at least 200 square meters of road per day, compared to one conventional paver that can pave 75 to 100 meters per day. Gore Concrete has created their perfect Bay Links foundation stone spreader, which is essential for handling large volumes of material daily. Such a large yet powerful machine definitely adds value to any business by delivering materials that save customers time and the cost of additional equipment and personnel. Plus, their innovative Bay Links product is backed by parts and service support. Look for this technological monster in action. The PowerScreen H6203 horizontal sieve is a machine that is perfect for handling large volumes of sticky and non-sticky materials, as well as the accurate sizing of bulk materials required in many construction contracts. This model is equipped with a new recirculating rotary conveyor for oversized products. The conveyor is used to return material back to the feeder. The technique is ideal for applications such as natural and crust aggregate, coal, iron ore, recycled concrete, and asphalt. The BMM 410 is a fully automatic mobile clay brick making machine from SNPC Machines India. The new BMM 410 is a mobile, portable machine that gives the freedom to produce clay or mud bricks anytime, anywhere, and in any quantity. The raw material required for the BMM 410 mobile brick making machine is clay, mud, or a mixture of clay and fly ash. Think you've seen everything agricultural machines can offer? Then meet the Trajan Optimal M1650 Storm, your new strategic partner in battling unwanted vegetation along forest edges and roadsides. With its unique ability to cut vegetation at any angle, this equipment provides exceptional flexibility in managing plant cover. High vertical clearance allows easy maneuvering. High vertical clearance allows easy maneuvering among various obstacles, with a fully hydraulic system ensuring reliable and precise operation. Forget about hammers and the good old manual labor. The Vermeer PD10R is a pile driver that does all the heavy lifting for you. This monster, with hundreds of horsepower, drives piles with such precision that even the most demanding engineers applaud. With it, building fences, foundations, or power lines becomes a breeze. Intrigued? Think of the Vermeer PD-10R as your personal robot that never gets tired, never complains, and always does an excellent job. Speed up your mulching process with the L-Series mulching head from Loftness, specially designed for skid steers and compact track loaders, with a hydraulic flow rate of 15 to 35.9 gallons per minute and weighing up to 10,300 pounds. This powerful tool features the battle axe rotor and an exclusive 2-stage cutting chamber, together providing excellent mulching. You are guaranteed the finest and most stable particles, making the work not only fast but also efficient. Need a road right here and now? Fawn Trackway not only heard this challenge but also offered the perfect solution: the Roadway Kit. With this kit, you can turn any dirt road into a sturdy artery capable of handling heavy machinery in hours. Composed of durable aluminum panels, it is easy to lay down and just as easy to dismantle, leaving no trace on the landscape. Perfect for quick response in emergencies or military needs. Who said good roads take years to build? Fawn Trackway proves otherwise. Thank you for watching Mega Technology. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. See you in the next video.